Hello guys. More on the fire down there, explosion. I stopped and before I filmed the first video, I stopped and talked with the fire chief that was blocking the road so he couldn't get through there. And he said that it was some sort of propane tank or something that could have exploded, or something gas or whatever. It's only a barn that caught fire and exploded, but that's bad news. And then when I drove away, I pulled up among two boys, and they said the first explosion was like really huge, and the second explosion was like a bunch of rockets going off, like missiles, fireworks, or whatever. But it sounded like a huge explosion, and then a bunch of tiny explosions, but it was really loud. And then I pulled up next to two girls, and they said that the explosion, it shook their house. They felt it. It shook their house. And I asked him, did it shake your house? And they said, yeah, it shook the house. So that was pretty bad. Heartland Dearborn Fire Department was the first one there, because that's the fire department for that area. And then Howell was there assisting. I don't know what happened, but those girls also said some dog, they lost a dog, and I'm wondering, did the dog burn in the fire? No. Thankfully, the dog got scared and ran away, but it's a good thing because they said no one was hurt, and it was a pretty bad. So, thankfully, yeah, just remember, guys, thank all the fire chiefs, all the police officers, thank all the EMTs, everybody that helped out. There weren't any EMTs out there today, but thank everyone when you see them, especially veterans. Say thank you to every single one of them. They know what they're doing. Well, most of them anyway, but all of them should know. They know what they're doing, and they help our country out so much. So just tell them thank you, and thank you for watching this video. This was unplanned. I just got off of Latson Road, and I saw the smoke, and I went down there to investigate and see, is this a controlled fire, or is this, what's the deal with all the smoke? And apparently it was an explosion. My guess, it was because the fire chief said it was a cylinder. It was probably like a huge ass cylinder that exploded or something. I don't know what exactly, but anyhow, yeah. That's it for this video, and we'll see you guys, I don't know when, hopefully soon. Bye.